Financial modeling is how you translate your startup's vision into numbers. It helps you plan, raise money, and make better decisions. In this lesson, we'll break down the basics of startup financial modeling and how to build a model that supports your growth. A financial model is a spreadsheet that projects your revenue, expenses, cash flow, and runway over time. It's a living document that answers key questions. How much money will we need? When will we break even? What happens if we grow faster or slower than expected? Start with your revenue model. How do you make money? Subscriptions, transactions, licenses, ads? Define your revenue streams and break them into inputs like number of customers, pricing, churn, and conversion rate. These variables drive your top line. Next, map your cost structure. Fixed costs like salaries, rent, or tools don't change with growth. Variable costs like hosting or payment fees increase with users or sales. Estimate these month by month and be conservative. Include a hiring plan. As you scale, people are your biggest investment. Outline when you'll hire each role, what they'll cost, and how they'll impact your output. This brings realism and structure to your growth assumptions. Now, project your runway. How many months of cash do you have? When will you run out, and when do you need to raise? Use your model to explore different scenarios. What if growth is slower than expected? What if churn spikes? Modeling lets you stress test your strategy. Don't forget your key metrics. CAC, customer acquisition cost, LTV, lifetime value, gross margin, burn rate, and revenue growth are essential. Investors will expect to see these, and they'll use them to judge your potential. Build your model in a clean, simple spreadsheet. Use clear inputs, consistent formatting, and separate tabs for assumptions, projections, and summary. Tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or Notion can work. If you prefer templates, platforms like Foresight or Finmark can help. Keep it realistic. Investors want you to think big, but also plan smart. Don't plug in hockey stick curves without explaining why. Ground your assumptions in data, benchmarks, or early performance. Review your model monthly. Update it with real numbers, compare actual versus projected, and adjust as needed. Your model should help you run the business, not just raise money. If you're not a finance person, that's okay. Focus on logic, not formulas. You can always get help from a CFO, advisor, or accountant to refine the details. What matters is that you understand the story your numbers are telling. At the end of the day, financial modeling is about clarity and confidence. It shows that you understand your business, you've thought ahead, and you're building with purpose. Let's turn your vision into a model you can act on.